from yet another gate. There's still a lot of suspense surrounding that. But if I can quickly bring in Imran on this. Imran, we've seen in many such high-profile cases in the past how the police, the media have this constant cat and mouse game going where they try and avoid the media glare, given the kind of media attention that this case has A, had in the past, and B, they would want to keep things as low profile as possible, given that they've just managed to get Prajwal into their custody. So this is not something that's happening for the first time, but clearly happening in this case of Prajwal Revanna as well. Imran.
Well, absolutely, Madhav. I mean, as you have covered this extensively on the ground, being a ground reporter, it's always a cat and mouse game when it comes to high-profile celebrities, where the police wants to avoid it, considering others' security reasons or the threat to his life, or if they have anything to show, do not want this issue to be covered and highlighted in the media. So you always, I guess, they deploy all kinds of tactics to confuse the media, to give them a different direction, to ensure that they can slip away without getting media glare. In fact, here too, where it's just a small interest, you can see the cops are not allowing the media to come near the gate. They have put up a barricade and not even allowing media to come anywhere close by. A huge posse of policemen are here to ensure that Prajwal Revanna is taken here without being, much media coverage or getting more visuals of him. And that is what the cops will be trying to do. As you can see behind me, the cameraman, you can see that more policemen are there. As I said, shown earlier, 3 buses full of policemen. They have been deployed now, even on the road now, to ensure that media doesn't come close to Prajwal Revanna's vehicle. SIT officials, please sir, we are doing our job. Just a second. So BK Singh, the chief officers are there. In fact, DCP Central is also here, who is to ensure that Prajwal Revanna is brought safely to the SIT office, which falls under his jurisdiction. It's a 40 kilometer from there. As you can see, the policemen are pushing the media from there. While we were doing, just now when they received from the information that they will be bringing here, they're trying to ensure that media doesn't get close to Prajwal Revanna.
Is back on the line. Deepak, take it away. Has Prajwal Revanna left with the SIT team?
Another camera of Times Now is, of course, bringing those pictures of that convoy moving. And right now, the police here seems to have strategized it pretty well. And I was telling our viewers earlier as well, Pranesh, and I was talking about how they have a plan A, plan B, and plan C. They've executed plan C. That's what it looks like. They've, whisked them away from the airport without the media glare or without anyone really noticing. They've completed the formalities inside that was necessary and then brought him out. So that's the latest, of course, that we can tell our viewers, that he's going to be, of course, making his way towards the SIT. That's where he'll spend the night. Tomorrow, first thing, they will be taking him for a medical checkup, after which he will be produced before a magistrate where they'll seek for, time to question him. He'll be in police custody. Following police custody, of course, there'll be an issue of whether they'll have to take him to different locations where crimes have been committed. And that is also a process that will be taking place parallelly. His legal team, of course, is charting out an extensive strategy. We've already seen, first part of that strategy really unfold with that video that he put out, where he called himself the victim, where he said that, probably, there was a political conspiracy that was being hatched against him. So all of this seems to be a strategy from the legal team itself. Probably he was briefed about what to say too. But this is an option that's, of course, available for him. Whether there will be any sort of relief.
We can now confirm that Prajwal has left the airport building. SIT team's convoy being tracked by Times Now's camera.